All right, so more ester reactions. This time we're looking at hydrolysis via aqueous acid. Okay, so hydrolysis. Here we are using water to split two functional groups. Now, one thing to remember, so just like with amides, that when we are doing acid esterification, we get our acid back. So here we are taking ethyl ethanoate, which we've seen in another reaction. We are reacting this with water with an acid catalyst. And so essentially what happens is that OH group goes back onto your carbonyl, your hydrogen goes back onto your alcohol. And so you end up with ethanoic acid and ethanol as your two products. So literally, this is the reverse of esterification. That's it. You get your original acid and your original alcohol back. Again, remember, or you can see that again where this reaction also exists at equilibrium.